if they're always like harping on you doing this, but they're supposed to do that because they are your parent. They brought you in this world and they can take you out of this world. Okay. I know you heard that before. So if you're disrespectful or not thankful, they're like, you're so ungrateful. Mom, just because I didn't do what you wanted me to do, I'm ungrateful. Dad, just because I didn't put my tie on, we were going to your dad's place. So you have to learn to kind of live in the neutral, and when you're about 20, 24, you'll live in the neutral. But right now, your parents own you. They can tell you what to do. And if you don't do it, they're going to twist it into you're disrespectful. You do have to use the clutch really fast. The car I was driving had a hydraulic clutch. It was the T5 5-speed, which came in the Mustangs. They had the world class carbon fiber parts. I had the IROC Z28. So those 4 speeds were just strong enough. Excuse me, the 5 speeds were just strong enough to take a little bit of abuse.